Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little baby turtle. We will need blue and light beige plush yarn, 8 or 10 mm safety eyes. I used a 5 mm crocheted hook, crocheted markers, yarn needle, some toy stuffing and scissors. Round 1, make a magic ring. Then make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Find the yarn tail and tighten the circle. Attach a marker. Round 2, make 6 increases. An increase means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We will have 12 stitches at the end of the row. Attach a marker. Round 3, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times to the end of the row. We will have 18 stitches at the end of the row. Attach a marker. The 4th and 5th rows are the same with 18 single crochet each. Attach a marker. Round 6, make 18 front loop only stitches. Our braid is divided into the back loop and front loop. We will crochet this row using the front loop only, the loop closer to us. Make a slip stitch, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Round 7, now we will change the color. You can insert the hook into any stitch of this row. Now crochet 18 back loop only, single crochet. Attach a marker. Round 8, make 1 single crochet and then make 1 decrease. Insert the hook through 2 loops and make a single crochet. Repeat this pattern 6 times to the end of the row. Make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, again 1 decrease. At the end, we will have 12 stitches. Attach a marker. Round 9, make 6 decreases. Stuff our little turtle. Close the opening by pulling the yarn through all the loops. Crochet the head. Round 1, make a magic ring. Six single crochet into the magic ring. Find the yarn tail and tighten the ring. Second round, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase and repeat this 3 times. We will have 9 stitches at the end of the row. Round 3, crochet 9 single crochet. Insert the safety eyes at this point. Round 4, make 1 single crochet, then make 1 decrease and repeat this 3 times. There will be 6 stitches at the end of the row. Round 5, crochet 6 single crochet. Slightly stuff the head. Sew 2 pieces together. Crochet the legs 4 pieces. Make a magic ring. 5 single crochet in a magic ring. Find the yarn tail and tighten the ring. 5 single crochet. And slip stitch. Leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Sew the head onto the body. Make 2 chains. Cut the yarn. Sew on all the remaining details. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I will be happy to see your results on my Instagram. Share your results and I will definitely check them out.